Hey everyone, it's Tim McClellan. You probably recognize me from my TV shows and appearances, but I've been doing furniture for 25 years, and in the process of delivering and living with furniture, I've discovered some really good ways to fix dings, dents, and scratches in furniture. You know my favorite thing for touching up furniture, and I carry one all the time, I'm famous and I sign signatures. That's not true. It's a simple magic marker, but on darker furniture, it works like magic. These are wonderful. These are wax sticks. They're sticks and they come in different colors. Minor indentions and imperfections because you can fill it with the wax and then buff it out. Another popular tool, they're inexpensive and anybody who has furniture should have a set of these. This is a set of multiple different color markers. Mix it up and then put it on like a marker. Really good for those minor scratches in the furniture surface. This is another popular item and I use it a lot. This is actually a stain. You shake it up and it works like a marker. It matches a lot of different finishes as well.